Sakrete Concrete and Asphalt Cleaner. This ready-to-use, non-toxic cleaner simply rinses away with water. Revitalize your concrete or asphalt driveway with Sakrete Concrete and Asphalt Cleaner. No special tools are needed, just a brush, gloves, and eye protection. Removing stains from your driveway is just 3 easy steps. First, clean the area to be repaired by removing all loose dirt and debris. Once clean, you are ready to use Sakrete Concrete and Asphalt Cleaner. Apply a generous amount of cleaner to the stain and allow it to stand for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not allow the cleaner to stand for a long period of time, or it will soften the asphalt. Then, lightly scrub the area. Once the area is scrubbed, immediately rinse the surface until the water runs clear and there are no more bubbles. Deep oil or grease stains may require additional applications. That's it. Your project is complete.